Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to auto brightness on OPPO Find X8. Let's begin. First of all, we can extend our control panel to see whether or not our auto brightness option is enabled. You can easily do that by simply just opening your control center, and here in the brightness panel, as you can see, we can increase the brightness manually or decrease it. We can always just click the button in order to set it to automatic. It does say that brightness is on, it doesn't say that automatic brightness is on, but you can see a little A on our bar now. We can always click once again in order to disable this feature. However, if for some reason this is not working for you, you can always go to the settings, go to display and brightness, and here we have auto brightness option right below our bar. You can always check if we have adaptive tone enabled. It might not directly change the brightness, but it will modify our colors, which maybe it will give you illusion that your brightness is higher or lower. And lastly, if these are not working for you, you can always just disable the phone and try to restart it. You can easily do that by holding and pressing power button and going for the restart option. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.